I got an interior door handle on a 96 Toyota Tacoma that broke. You can see it flexing at the bottom. Scared I'm gonna break it off totally. We're gonna attempt to take it off. And we're gonna put some super glue on it. And then we're gonna put some JB Weld on it, see if we can repair it. And we got a screw right in the center here. We'll take it out. And I think a tap on it one way or the other and it should come out. And capture the rod so we don't lose it. And we got a twist lock. It slides back. And that'll release it. And you can see where we're broke here. And we'll hold it for a few minutes here, see what it'll do. And you can see it's cracked inside of there. I'm going to put epoxy on the back side of that and that down in here. And we're using JB Weld. It's 15-minute plastic bonder. That's pretty good stuff. And we'll put a little bit on the screw part. Try to keep that flat. Anything's got to happen. It's got to be better than what it was. That's got to help it. Yeah, we let the epoxy dry good. Super glue. Seems like we fixed it. Good as new. Ain't nothing wrong with that.